How to fix no post available on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix no post available on Facebook issue. So as you can see, if I tap on the view as option, it says no post available. If you want to remove that, then all you have to do is follow some simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on your username. Now tap on the three dots over here. From here, you want to tap on Activity Log. Now, find the option of Your Facebook Activity. Tap on that. Here you will find different options. Tap on the one that says Manage Posts. Now, all of your posts are going to be displayed over here. You want to filter them, so tap on the Filters option. Now, tap on Categories. Here, you want to select Your Post, Photos and Videos option. Now, all of your photos and videos and posts will be displayed over here. You want to tap on the All option to select all of that. Once all of this has been selected, you want to tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Change Audience. Now tap on the Change Audience option again. Here, you want to select the Public option. Now tap on Change. As you can see, the audience has now been changed. So if you head back, now tap on the View As option. Then you can see all the posts are now visible and the no post available problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.